It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the balcony garden collaboration today. And as you can see, haven't done really much. Placed my butterflies around. I don't know how well you can see them. Butterfly, maybe it's me, I need to put my glasses on. But this is all going on for today. Not a lot. Welcome back. Thanks for subscribing, supporting, hanging in there. Still got lots of work to do. You see, I got the little red bite there with my pansies and the polka dot plant, my black rose with the butterfly on it, garlic plant. I got my cosmos coming up. Oops. Hopefully. Latest friend to the balcony. Thinking frog, I believe. Turtle hiding in there somewhere. All the other little figurines. Oops. My little friend there. But not so much a lot going on, but things will get better. Little by little, things will get better. Welcome. Well, I still have to put stuff in order, so just want to give you an update. I like my little bike with the plants in there. To the right, it's a disaster. I got to move stuff, sweep, but I did get the dollies. They sitting on those, the two plants I can move and sweep. So that's a good thing. I need a couple of more little ones because some of these other containers are big, need to be pushed instead of picked up. But that will be happening as time goes by. But for now, this is it. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time. Ooh, that was a bee. All right, y'all, bye. Hit that subscription button, comment, share, like, hype. If you want to join the club, if you want, bye. Hit the hashtag in the title to see all the latest videos. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.